guys, Primark is such a big shop, very big shop. You can see, and this side is for children's clothes. If you want to buy your children's clothes, you can come in this side, this section. Both boys and girls, you can get them beautiful nice clothes here. So Primark has a lot to offer for everyone. See, this one is £1.8. All these beautiful shirts cost £1.8. Very nice. So these are the children's section, and these are winter coats, £16. You can see, very beautiful, very beautiful. This section is for, I think it's for both boys. This one is for girls. This section is for girls. Wow, I like this one. You can see the trouser and the shirt, they match together. And this one's also, you can see they match together. Very beautiful. These are children's clothes, you know. So guys, don't hesitate. If you want to buy children's clothes, come to Primark. You have beautiful clothes for your children here. Look, all this. Wow. And these ones are jumpers for the winter. You can see this one, the jumper is £11, but they are reasonable. You can see they are all nice jumpers, all nice, all beautiful jumpers. All these are jumpers for girls. Yep. And these are their socks and their tights. You can get them also here. These are their socks and their tights. You can buy them for school. They can be wearing them underneath their school uniform. And they are not even expensive. You can see it's £3. How many pairs? £2 is £3. See, these are cozies and tights that they can use underneath their uniform as they go to school. Yeah. So guys, thanks for watching. As I showed you guys, the children's clothing in Primark. So whosoever want to buy clothing for their children, don't hesitate, come to Primark. You will get good stuff here. Yeah. So thank you for watching. Till I come your way again. Bye.